Hi everyone. Today we are heading to the docklands for a late-night stroll through the financial heart of the city. This isn't just a walk, it's a full sensory experience. We begin at West India Quay, feeling that London's maritime history and its soaring future. Our route takes us through the lush, tropical atmosphere of the Crossrail Place Roof Garden. It feels like a spaceship landed in a jungle. From there, we'll explore the textural marvels of Canary Wharf, where the silence of the water meets the vibrant hum of the skyscrapers. We'll end our night at the iconic Canada Square, surrounded by neon and steel. Whether you're here for the ASMR sounds or the stunning night views, I'm so glad you're joining me for this midnight wander. Let's go. The perfect end to a cinematic night. From the quiet gardens to the bright lights of Canada Square, Canary Wharf never fails to impress after dark. Thanks for walking through the docklands with me tonight. See you in the next one. Bye for now.